welcome back to another Zona Zeke's World video. And today we are getting ready for a hurricane that may or may not be coming by getting sandbags. And we've been in this line for like 4 hours now, and I didn't want to videotape all way back in the line. We got here at 7:30, and now look at the time. Yeah, not the quickest little trip, but we're here. We're about to get sandbags at that station. I was playing Pokemon Go while I was waiting, and I caught an 8-palm, which I'm really excited about. Oh, here we are. There we go. That's my dad. Say hi, Dad. Yeah. That's where we're gonna get the sandbags. He's gonna help us.
Go all the way around.
It's all right, man. It's all right. We're doing it all morning. As long as I see your face, it looks familiar and safety.
There you go. All right.
Save a little room in case he can pull you up and around.
Yep.
As a matter of fact, I see the dump truck coming, so they might put a stop somewhere where they might need to dump. We'll see. We got a lot of upset people where it's like, you live in the same household, I can't give you 20 bags. I can give you 10 filled bags and 10 empty bags. I'm sorry. And then they're like, that's not what I said. I'm like, I'm just telling you the way things change, man.
Hey, you gotta think of everybody. Everybody needs to, don't need to hog it, man. Just get your 10 and figure it out, right?
It changed. I can't help that.
It's all good.
I do not run the show.
That's right. I understand. I understand, man. It's all good to me, man.
We're almost there, as you can see. We haven't moved.
How long you been here today?
Since 4. Yesterday was 16 hours, but I was on the shovel. So today I kind of got a little bit of a break.
That's nice, man.
That's a long time. That's a long time.
He's doing a little video for his YouTube thing.
Oh, don't put me on YouTube, please. All right, my man in the gray, he'll show you where to go.
All right.
I said, save a little room between you and the bird. Okay.
Will do, thanks.
Here we are. There's some sandbags.
Joe, what's that right there, Joe?
Here we are. I'm gonna end the video here, guys.
How you doing, buddy?
I don't know yet.
Yeah, I hear you. Love liver. All right.
Good?
You good?
I just wanted to show you guys the sandbags and everything and what we're doing. And I'll make a part 2 of this, of us packing, and then us when we get there, and then us when we get back. And so there will be 4 parts of this. I want to show you what's getting the sandbags. It's getting close to the hurricane. Bye, guys. Hope you all enjoyed. Bye.